Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person.
Well, I feel like I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the scariest
thing.
You
watch over him when he comes.
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear.
Today we've got one of the funniest and frankly dumbest sovereign citizens you will ever see. This one's a real gem. This guy is actually claiming that the judge is scaring him. Yes, you heard that right, and he refuses to show up in person because he's afraid. But trust me, it only gets wilder from there. Sovereign citizens love to act like they're above the law, but newsflash, the law doesn't care about your made-up rules. And the judge in this case? He absolutely goes off on this guy, and it is pure courtroom gold. So let me know in the comments, on a scale from 1 to 10, just how dumb do you think this sovereign citizen is? And if you love watching people embarrass themselves in court, be sure to like and subscribe for more. Now let's dive in.
Mr. Lanto, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
He came out and went back in.
Okay. Mr. Greco, it's been indicated to me that somebody wants a 30-day adjournment on Mr. Lanto's case for discovery. Is that right?
I wasn't. That's fine with me, Judge, if that's what the request is.
Well, quick objection. The request was, why don't we just drop this right now?
Okay, Mr. Lanto, you understand that you're the one requesting that you be given 30 days to get discovery. It's not the prosecutor.
Well, the first thing I want. Okay,
you want a trial today? You want a trial today?
Well, I mean, I'd even be willing to, sign a guilty plea today if the court can just produce the factual evidence of jurisdiction. It should be in my file somewhere. I was asking for the same thing up in the Clarkston courthouse, and they sent me to the Oakland County Jail.
Mr. Lanto, I'm not going to produce anything. I don't have to. I'm the judge. And as far as I know, the prosecutor can only produce what he wants to produce to convict. So we're not doing that. Your attorney's asked for 30 days. Do you want the 30 days or do you want to go to trial today?
Well, let's see what the discovery evidence has to say. But first, if they could, very first thing out of there, they could send the factual evidence of jurisdiction. That would be great. It should be a one-page document. If the prosecutor filed it, fantastic.
Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. I would suggest that you listen to your attorney. Okay? I'm going to adjourn this matter on his motion for 30 days.
Did you just say? Can you?
I'm going to send this to the assignment clerk, Mr. Lanto. You're not listening.
So far, I'm giving this dude a solid 10 out of 10 on the idiot scale. What do you guys think? I mean, the guy literally strolls into court and says, "Let's just dismiss this case," like he's the one in charge, not the actual judge. Seriously, where do these sovereign citizens even get this delusional ideology from? It's like they truly believe the law doesn't apply to them just because they say so. Spoiler alert, that's not how anything works. It's honestly baffling. Like, is there a YouTube university where they teach this BS? Because I swear I didn't even start seeing this stuff until a few years ago, and it just keeps getting more insane. That said, major respect to the judge here. He's handling it like an absolute pro. Calm, firm, and not putting up with any of this guy's nonsense. Alright, let's get back to it.
I'm going to adjourn your case for 30 days. I'm going to send the matter down to the assignment clerk. She'll send out a notice. Hopefully your attorney will have the discovery that he wants by then, and we can handle your case. Okay?
Well, have you kind of calmed down a little bit?
What did he say? No. You're all set.
It seems like you're getting angry. It seems like you were getting angry.
No, Mr. Lanto, you can leave the meeting. We'll see you in 30 days or so. Clerk will
Well, and
send
I
you a
just
notice.
Well, I just want the record to show I've asked these same questions in several courts and nobody has said I'm talking crazy.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first time somebody said I've been anything but reasonable in a courtroom.
Huh. That's amazing.
Huh, right.
You're talking like you know all about the law, and it doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, then let me ask a few questions for clarification.
You don't need to ask any questions. We'll deal with it in 30 days, Mr. Lanto.
Wait, we can't ask simple logical questions today?
This dude seriously needs to walk away while he still has the chance. The judge is being way more patient than most would be, especially considering how ridiculous this guy's acting. At this point, it honestly feels like he's trying to get himself thrown in contempt. Like, come on, we all know you can't just stroll into court and try to game the system like this. The judge is giving him chance after chance, but instead of taking them, this guy just keeps doubling down on the nonsense. And the funniest part? He's out here talking about logic and simple questions, like he's some kind of legal genius, when literally none of his statements so far have made a shred of sense. Bottom line, this guy's an idiot. Let's keep it rolling.
Ask your attorney when you see him.
Like I said, I'd be willing to sign the guilty plea and just, be done with this if I just see the factual evidence of jurisdiction, number one. And
That's
then number
why we're
two.
asking for discovery.
Okay, and then the proof of jurisdiction is going to be in there? Is that, I'm asking a simple logical question. It's either yes or no. The proof is going to be in there or not. It's very simple. It's very logical, actually.
Well, let's see.
Mr. Lanto, I think maybe you ought to come into court in person next time, and your attorney will be here in person, and we can talk about it. So when you get that letter,
Well,
can I put on there that he's in person? I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person. You know where the courthouse is?
well, I feel like I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the
Chris,
scariest
will
thing I
you
could
watch
ever
over
hear.
him when he comes?
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear. And that's coming from a very reasonable person.
Okay, we'll see you in person in about 30 days, whatever date the assignment clerk gives you. And you come into court and we'll take care of business, okay?
So what does it mean to take care of business and I got to come in person and you're going to assign a police officer to me and then you said I'm talking crazy?
No, you got it
Did I
reversed.
just recall what was said on the record? Did I just recall that correctly?
You said no, you said it in reverse. I said first that you're talking some crazy talk. Then I said I'm going to adjourn it for 30 days. And then I said, because you're worried about it, that I'd have an officer watch over you while you're in court. We'll see you in 30 days.
Do you guys actually think he's going to show up in 30 days? I'm honestly guessing yes, because deep down, I think he knows the judge does have jurisdiction. He just doesn't want to admit it. And look, not only are this guy's teeth a mess, but his entire brain seems scrambled. He's been playing the victim the whole time, even had the judge calling him crazy. Like, he really thinks he can talk his way out of this, but spoiler, that's not how the law works. Next time, he seriously needs to let his attorney do the talking, because right now, he's just digging himself a deeper hole. But if he does show up in person next time, I cannot wait to see what he pulls. This whole thing has been pure entertainment. This guy isn't your average sovereign citizen, he's like a new breed. Usually, they stick to the same recycled nonsense, but this guy was all over the place. He even called out the judge and said he was too scared to show up. Like, what? Let's be real, he's either broke and can't pay his violation, or he's just trying to waste everyone's time and our taxpayer money. Either way, total idiot. Alright, I'm wrapping it up here. Let me know what you guys thought about this hearing in the comments. I love reading your takes. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thanks so much for watching, take care.